Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have one of the most special car. This is the 1946 Sport. This is the automatic car here at Al Qaria showroom, industrial state Sajja. And the starting price for this car is 16,500. This is basically a legend car, a red color. Look at the tire and the rims of this car. It's a very big, it's a 1946 car, and still as you can see, it's a very masterpiece, a very solid build car. The red colors look so much good. It's basically two-seat car. They have two seats option. Look at the engine. As you can see, engine is so much big. Very nice. Look at the chassis number 99A1193067. As you can see, the radiator has been changed, I think so. It's look very new. Very nice car. Let me show you from the inside. It's basically 59,767 mile run, and I think the car this is so much unique. As you can see, these cars look like this from the inside. Wow, it is so much good. It is very open car. As you can see, let me show you from the inside. This is the dashboard of the Ford 1946. Wow, so much good. As you can see, there is a sound system. This is the handbrake gear system. It's automatic. As you can see, the steering wheel of the Ford. Look at the dashboard of this car. Fault, water temperature, oil pressure, fuel level. Wow, it's so much nice. It's such a good technology at that time. This is, I think so, the handbrake, and I don't know where it is started from. Look at the speedometer. They have the maximum 100 speed. As you can see, 59,761 mile run. Very nice looking car. This is the back side of this car. Sound system has been installed. I think it's a quite good and open car for such a price. This is basically an antique car, so definitely specific people will buy it to try to buy this one. It's a very good car. Red color, and then headlight is missing, but it's nice. So the 1946 Ford Al Qaria showroom, 16,500. It's a very nice car. The tire is almost brand new. Thank you so much.